First Community Financial LLC versus Marlene Neely, case number 12-1839 GC. Who's here?
Afternoon, Your Honor. Brad Johnson, P75416, on behalf of the plaintiff.
Mr. Johnson is the last person that's in the meeting, so there's no one else here.
Marlene Neely, this is your motion to try to renew this judgment.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm just curious as to why the font is so tiny on this.
I don't know.
Do you have it in front of you?
No.
It's extremely tiny. I think that might have been one of the reasons why I scheduled it. What's the font size that the court rule calls for?
I know federal court it's 14. I don't know what state court is.
Ten characters per inch or 12 point. I know that's smaller than 12 point.
Okay, I apologize, Your Honor.
Why don't you guys resubmit it?
We're trying to renew the judgment. I'm ready to answer all your questions. What do you need to know?
When you're going to resubmit it in accordance with the court rule and comply with MCR 1.109C1. That's my question.
So I've been here an hour, so you can just tell me, even though you know what the motion is, you know what it's about, I know exactly what questions you're going to ask. I can answer all of them. You want me to resubmit the motion because of a font? All right, I will do that.
Let me ask you this, counsel. Let me ask you this, counsel. I didn't say I was dismissing the motion. I'm going to give you the opportunity to resubmit it.
Resubmit. Do I have to another filing fee or just?
No. I'm giving you the look, counsel. We printed off the font sizes here.
What do you need to know on the motion? I have everything in front of me.
This is even below 10. This is even below 10.
What do you need to know? That you can't, that is too small to read. I can elucidate.
You can what?
I can answer anything on that piece of paper that's too small for you to read right now. It just says we want to renew the judgment. Here's the judgment. Here's the last payment date. Here's all the payment.
So I don't have the right to ask you to follow the court rules when you're submitting this stuff.
You do, but what's the point? You didn't make it.
When I'm sitting here late at night, and reading these or trying to,
it's one.
I shouldn't have to be. You're supposed to submit this properly. That's what I'm saying.
It's a form motion, Your Honor. It says we want to renew the judgment. What more do you need to know? Well, there's nothing on the paper, but I will do that. I will do that so we can come back and do this again.
It doesn't run out till September.
That's not a problem. I'm here today. I've already been here an hour. I just want to get it done, but I will resubmit the motion. Do you want a new hearing?
Can you tell me, can I ask you a question? Because I've gotten lots of stuff from your office. It's in this tiny, tiny file. Is there some reason why that keeps happening?
I don't know, because we have to merge everything ourselves. And I guess for your court and your court only, I will ensure that everything is in 14-point font so the court can read it. We also need to fit
it doesn't have to be in 14.
Well, I will ensure that it is.
It can be 12.
This is all right. I understand the court's position. Duly noted. I will resubmit. Can I get a new hearing date, please?
How long is it going to take you to do it?
Do it tomorrow. To get my kids pretty soon, but.
I mean, I thought maybe it was a broken computer or something.
I don't know what it is. This is filings all over the state, and this is the only time I've ever heard of this. But I will make sure.
MCR 1.109.
Yeah.
Filing standards.
I get it. It's one.
Okay.
You've seen this motion 1,000 times. It's literally
I know.
Just plug and play.
I know. And I haven't said anything until now, have I?
No.
So when should I say something?
I don't know. I guess now. I don't. If it's a problem, I don't know about it until you tell me. Kind of like with the tax garnishment issue. But let's just go ahead. I will resubmit it, and we will go from there.
Mr. Johnson, I'm not charging you or having them charge you another motion fee. I didn't throw the motion out. You understand that?
I do.
Okay.
I've been here an hour just to hear that, but that's fine. I will go ahead and do it.
Have you said that?
No. Because he's not changing any information. He's just complying with the court rule.
Well, that's true.
Okay, we'll see it. Well, did I give him a date?
You didn't say how long. You wrote adjourn.
How about I adjourn it to June 28th?
June 28th.
At 2:30. Is that a good day for you?
Trial. That should work, Your Honor.
Okay.
2:30. Via Zoom?
Yes, sir.
Zoom, okay. I will get the notice of hearing and a amended motion for you.
Thank you.